Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia and I've got a parcel to open now, and this is from Sophie Foulidou. Cannot say the name, sorry. No, I'm showing you people the lady's name. Oh dear me, that was very close to cutting something. It was. I'll show. Her name is Sophie, S-O-P-H-I-E, and last name spelled F-O-U-L-I-D-O-U, and that will be on in the description box anyway, her name. I'll just cut that off the envelope and put it in this plastic bag I've got over here so I can sort all that out. And look, I've got here, well, thank you very much, look at this. Oh dear, I think I pulled a nice bow off, sorry about that. It had this nicely wrapped in this bow. Isn't this nice? This, oh, wowie, that's nice, isn't it? Well, it's like a really, really open tulle. Oh, look, all the birds on here, and lovely piece of ribbon wrapping this round. Thank you very much, Sophia, or Sophie. I don't know how you say your name either way. Hello, Sonia. This is my entry. Hope you like my fabric. I also hope they are useful for your projects. Love your videos. Stay happy, Sophie. And then she's got her information on here for me, on the back of this nice little bird garden. There's like little birds flying all over. There's little birds on that one too. Isn't that nice? Thank you so much, Sophie. That's very kind of you. I'll just put that with the other things. Now, oh, look at this. You give me a whole lot of this nice, beautiful tulle. Isn't it good? It'd be just the thing for making nice flowers. Just the thing for making nice flowers. Or putting on any mixed media things. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, look at this. Oh, this one's nice. Look at it. Thank you. Oh, I do like that. Colour is beautiful too. And this one. Oh, nice silky piece. This is a nice silky piece. A pretty colour. Do you like that? Wow. Oh, look at that. It looks a bit like snake sort of skin, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice though? It's lovely. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. And it's really sheer. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that'd make lovely flowers or a piece on a page. Oh, I do love that. Isn't that lovely? Thank you so much. Oh, this is good. All this nice, beautiful stuff. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much for these. Sophia, they're very nice. Thank you, darling. They're beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I do love that. Wow. Oh, that's good. I could put that in my gypsy album somewhere. That's the colours of that are awesome. Thank you so much. And the way that it's open, you know, that can go really good with things. You know, you want to put something over the top just or underneath it. Oh, look at this bit. Ooh, it's got gold on it. Oh dear, look. Isn't that nice? Oh, thank you so much. This is beautiful and so soft. You wouldn't even know you had hold of that. That is just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And this one here, wow. Oh, I do like this. Has got nearly everything. This has got texture. Well, I suppose every piece has, but and bling, and oh dear, this is beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. And we always have a little bit of fluff, but that's okay. That's what sewing's all about. Don't think I've ever left the house without a bit of cotton or fluff hanging off me. It's always in my life. Oh dear, I do love that. Thank you very, very much. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you. And this one, oh dear, I do love these. Thank you. And they're all so different and interesting. And Sophia, I think you live in Greece. You do. Yep. So I've got things coming. I'll just fix my chair under a bit. They're coming from all over the world, aren't they? Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Oh, they are beautiful. Look at that. And it's all different styles and textures, aren't they? Look at that. Isn't that amazing? All different sorts. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful material. Oh, I do love that. Thank you so much, and thank you for all the trouble you went to do that for me. I really appreciate that. That's very nice. You've got it all, whether you meant to or not, I don't know, but you've got all different fabrics, all different textures and everything, haven't you? It's really good. Thank you. And because my yellow piece. Thank you very much, Sophia. That's very kind of you, and for your lovely card. And thank you, everybody, for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.